Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use SUMIFS Excel function. This is just a fantastic function and very useful and helpful. We can also see that what are the utilities and how we can use this formula in different scenarios. You can see that I have a simple spreadsheet here which shows employees data with department and job level along with their salary range. Let's say that we want to know the cost of each department to company. For example, what is the cost of internal audit in terms of salary to the company? We can do that with just simple sum formula by applying filter on each level and each required field. For example, we can use Control Shift down arrow to select all, and the cost is 3.9 million. For example, if we want to see that cost of apply filter, cost of accounts and finance, this is the cost of accounts and finance. We can do that by using sum and applying filter one by one, but on the other hand this will take a lot of time. Moreover, the result will not change if we enter any line in that. So let's use SUMIFS formula. Let's demonstrate. Let's apply here equal sign SUMIFS bracket start sum range, the required result. Here is the required result. Select this whole comma, this is asking criteria range, first criteria range. Our first criteria range is department, comma, what is required internal audit, comma, now asking about second criteria range. Go to this, we need job level, select all, comma, now the criteria range manager. Just close the bracket. See that in internal control we have managers cost around 300,000. Now just copy paste this formula by freezing the data. F4, by pressing F4 we can freeze this. Okay, this sum total, Control D, just check it out. The cost 3.9 million. You can see that in sales there is no manager, in IT there is no manager. Now we just highlight this cell internal audit. Just let's see, just change this internal audit, this and this. Just see the amount has changed. Hope you like this video. If you like this, please hit the like button, comment in the comment box, subscribe the channel. Thank you.